Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a wooden effect frame. So continue watching if you would like to learn how I do it. So firstly, choose an image which will be our photo frame picture. This will be the background layer. Then duplicating the layer by using Ctrl and J, which will create layer 1. Then remaining on layer 1, I'm going to increase the canvas size. Go to Image, Canvas Size, change the metric to inches and input 4 inches for both width and height. Then click OK. This has created a nice border around our image. Now I'm going to create a new layer and fill it. Go to Edit, Fill, change the contents used to pattern. If it's not selected already, then select the wood pattern and click OK. Then hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of layer 1. This will outline around the picture area. Now invert selection. To do this, press Shift, Ctrl and I on the keyboard. Then click on the Add a Layer Mask icon, which will make the image visible. Now select the wooden pattern thumbnail of Layer Mask and click on the FX icon and apply bevel and emboss effect. Here change the technique to chisel hard, the highlight opacity to 50% and shadow opacity to 60%. Then select color overlay and enter the RGB code of 381E06 to get a realistic woody color, and change the blend mode to color burn and click OK. Going back to layer 1, I'm going to add an inner shadow effect. Make sure layer 1 is selected and click on FX icon, then select inner shadow, and I'm only going to change the opacity to 65% and click OK. There we have a very short and simple tutorial on how to create a wooden effect frame. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.